English practice makes perfect.
English mixed past tense quiz. He drank coffee to stay awake during the meeting. The children did eat the cookies. John slept for 10 hours yesterday. I bought a red sweater for my mother for her birthday. The cat hid under the bed during the storm. The dog barked at the squirrel. The teacher taught the students how to read. After Rob had swum for an hour in the pool, he was hungry. My grandma cooked a delicious pasta meal last weekend. The teen boys watched a scary movie and couldn't sleep. The ship sank to the bottom of the ocean. I had already seen that movie, so I suggested a different one. It had taken Karen all morning to clean the dirty bathroom. The young couple got married 1 year ago. The bride cut the cake and gave her husband a slice.
Subscribe.
The water balloon burst when it hit the ground. The men played soccer in the park until dusk. I had forgotten my umbrella, and it started raining. The cat climbed up the tree and got stuck. The girl had already eaten breakfast before she left for school. As they watched the cartoon, the kids laughed at the silly characters. Emily had saved enough money before quitting her job. The family flew to London for a vacation. Did you open the window to let in the sunlight? Why didn't you brush your teeth before going to bed? They had studied French before they visited Paris. The cat curled up on the sofa and took a nap. By the time they arrived at the airport, the plane had already taken off. Bella had never tried sushi until her friend recommended it. Why did she choose to study law instead of finance or economics?
Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.